Hey friends, what is up? Just wanted to hop on here and show you our latest DIY home project that we just did for our brand new home. We just bought a few months ago and are still getting settled in. Basically, long story short, the sellers who lived here before had a really specific taste of color blocking and blues and things like that, and blues never really been my color. So I wanted to do something a little bit different. I didn't want to paint it just a simple solid color. I wanted to do a lot of wallpaper, but then that kind of ended up being a lot of work. So I ended up doing a hand-painted mural in our entryway, and I'm so excited with the results. I really love how it came out. So watch how I did it. So this is the wall before, just plain blue, lots of nail holes, a couple scuffs, and I really just wanted something with more character. Okay, so we're headed to Home Depot right now to pick up the paint. Yeah, my husband's driving. So we'll see how it goes. I've never painted like this. I've actually never painted a house at all, so we'll see. I wanted something that would complement the blue that was already there, so I went with the light blue and a 1-inch brush. We waited for our paint and then headed home. All right, so we have the paint now, and we just took a bunch of the nails down from the wall that were left by the previous owners. My hair is doing crazy things right now. And then we're just cleaning up the wall and getting the outlet covers off, and then we're gonna start to paint. Here is the finished product. I couldn't be happier with how this came out, especially for winging it the first time. Here are some photos I took after I decorated. Here are some tips if you want to give this a try yourself.